Welcome back guys to another video. Today is the day where we will be doing an upgrade for the Yokomo SD 2.0. So basically I got a couple of RêveD parts. I'm going to show you guys real quick what kind of parts that's able to upgrade, and we will see once the upgrade is done, is there going to be a big changes. For me personally, the upgrade is going to be amazing guys, so I'm really excited. Without further ado guys, let's go to the RC pit area in my room and show you guys what did I get for all the parts that I'm going to change for the Yokomo SD 2.0. It's going to be fun. And this is the body shell currently we're using. So this body shell is fully from Addiction, the Addiction R32, and this is painted by Jay. Basically this whole body is airbrush. Without further ado, let me show you what kind of parts that we get and some goodies. First, this is offset 6. This is an offset 7. It looks cool, it's a very nice rim, but at the same time I would really want to change it into this rim. It's a 5-spoke rim. I think it looks so much cleaner, so much better, and it's high traction. Next, we got the drop screw. Okay, so drop screw is for you to easily install your lower arm. Alright guys, so for servo horn, we are running the RêveD servo horn. It's aluminium and I kind of like it guys. This is an upgrade from the plastic one, because let me show you guys real quick. Alright, you guys can see this is actually a plastic servo horn, so upgrading this would be a huge upgrade guys. Number 2 is this is the lock nut. So basically they give you a thicker lock nut on this end. I think this is 7.5, 7.7. This is actually 5.5. So it's slightly smaller and a little bit slightly easier to use. I think this is a 7.0. So we are upgrading that. Next, we got the shim. Why I decided to go with the shim is because this gearbox right here, there is the shaft gear. Alright, the shaft gear is moving around, so I'm gonna shim it up to make sure it does not move around, but it has a little bit more flexibility for the gear to go smoothly. So this is a very good upgrade. Next, we got the RT008. This is the spur gear screw. Alright, it's for your area right here. Alright. Next on the list, we have RD012S. This is S, meaning it's a shining edge. Why I get the shining edge is because I just want to complement with the toe blocks. If you guys can see, the toe blocks has a little bit shining edge on the side. So this is a new release for the rear hub, the rear knuckle from RêveD. Alright, next we have RD002. RD002, it's the lower arm. So basically lower arm, you can use this as a turnbuckle, or you can use this drop screw to install accordingly, and then you can put in spacers so you can measure the exact size as your current lower arm. So it's really nice, really easy. This is the most exciting of all. We have RD008. It's a HD conversions for slide rack for the YD2. Alright, for this YD2 package, right, the conversion kit is actually where you can install your upper arm on the block here. You have a center shaft here that can use a turnbuckle to open up and change your positioning of the holes, these 6 holes, where you can play and adjust your caster, right? You like a little bit quicker reaction or a slower reaction where you're going to be inside. So this is a very huge upgrade, and you can see there's 2 different holes right here. These 2 different holes, meaning you can play that this upper shock tower is where you hold your damper, right? You can move it up, right, basically, and then use this hole So your shock tower is way up here, and there's a plus for this. You can actually play with droop. So you can play no droop, less droop, more droop, or just droop. So it's really nice. Next, we are going with RD00948. RD00948, meaning 48 is the length of the lower arm for the rear section. So I've already measured, and if it's not mistaken, for the Yokomo one, this lower arm, it's actually 48. I'm not too sure, but I just took this package and put it side by side with the lower arm. It looks similar, so I bet it is 48. I'm not too sure about that, but we are going with the 48. Next, in terms of knuckle, we are running the RD001SG. This is usually what we use for the MC1 or the YD2 series knuckle. This knuckle is always compatible with slide rag or either bell crank, and plus the shape of it is so similar to here. I'm not saying that Yokomo is copying RêveD. No. I'm just saying the shape is slightly similar, but this is smaller. This is slightly smaller. Next on the list, we have the Yokomo SG A4884. Does it make sense? Yeah, it makes sense. So this is a Yokomo Spur 8410. Given on here is actually 80. For this spur, it's only 80, but we're gonna go with 84 and 20. 84-20, so you get a very balanced ratio to play on a very slippery surface.
5 minutes later.
There's a fire inside and I just can't hide it. There's a fire inside and I just can't fight it. Ooh. You know I'm coming for you. There's a feeling inside, let it take it over. The past is in the past, wipe it off my shoulder. Ooh. You know I'm coming for you. catching on fire. My voice is gasoline. I'm catching on fire like you never seen. I'm catching on fire. My voice is gasoline. I'm catching on fire like you never seen. I'm catching on fire. My voice is gasoline. I'm catching on fire like you never seen. I'm catching on fire. My voice is gasoline. I'm catching on fire like you never seen. I'm catching on fire. My voice is gasoline. I'm catching on fire like you never seen. My voice is gasoline.
Okay guys, so if you guys can see, we finish up the upgrade on the SD 2.0. Very fun upgrade. I think one of the most compatible parts. I think most of it because it's still compatible with the Z or the ZX, so very easy. You guys can see we also changed the front butt head, and now because our front very empty, we're going to install this front RêveD bumper. We let Joey decide. Joey, you want to put this one or
This one.
this one only? Just this one? Okay, I think the hole should align up pretty close. And then I will show you guys the performance. We'll see if it increase or decrease. Okay? Joey already passed me the 2.0. So very easily we're gonna install this, and then I will show you guys the car run. How does the car gonna run? Is it gonna be good or is it gonna be bad? This is, I'm very curious. Okay, very curious.
I've been waiting all night for you to tell me the truth. How do you see yourself? And what do
Alright guys, so that's it for the SD 2.0. All the kit has been upgraded. I found that this kit has more performance and more stability. We upgraded a couple of parts and I think it's a very good upgrade. That's about it guys. If you guys haven't subscribed yet, please click the subscribe button. If you guys haven't turned on your post notification, please turn it on so you won't miss videos like this. If you found this video very helpful, please like and share this video with your friends. And of course, last and not least, I'll see you guys in the next video. The next video we're gonna do a RDX full build. RDX full build. This is a stock build by Joey. So Joey will be the one that will be building this kit. You guys will see it in the next upcoming video. Alright? So without further ado guys, I'm gonna sign off. It's very tired. I'm just extremely exhausted. I just need some rest. I think the test kit has been done. A lot of things that has been upgraded. I think there's some couple of things that we haven't upgraded yet is the damper. Alright, the shaft for RêveD one. They come up with a big ball and the bearings. So we haven't upgraded the bearings yet. But like I said, there's so many things that I didn't want to go into it. It's because it takes a long time, especially to edit this video, and then Elvin at the back complaining, camera very heavy. So anyways guys, I'll see you guys for the next video. Peace and love. Bye bye.